Ready. I can touch the bottom of it, right? Crazy. Whoa, wicked. Look over there, it's just so gorgeous. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful. What an awesome morning for it though. Wow. Shoo. Okay, so I got a Mega Light 1000 reel and an ugly stick. And then we're just going to check out this lure first. Okay, so the idea is we're going to do a bit of like a slow pitch jigging today. We're not going to be anchoring up, no bait whatsoever, just going to do some lures. Haven't been here for ages, so first line in, haven't been fishing for ages either. So awesome, so good, so good. Diddle-a-dee, diddle-a-dee. So I've got like 30 pounds fluorocarbon onto 20 pound braid. Yeah, it was so cool getting out the fishing rods last night. Whoa. Yeah, mate. Good thing is with these squid lures, just the motion of the ocean it moves them along nicely as well. Sometimes you can just have them on the boat, just in a holder, and get some nice bites. Concentrate on one rod while you've got the other one working. So I'm going to do it in a minute. Just put it in the holder while I set up the other rod. Yeah, this is Ocean's Legacy. They're very popular. Ocean's Legacy lure. It's 150 grams. Should we check that one out? Torium 20 PG Shimano reel onto a Shadow X rod. Nice, we'll see how that, and pretty much the same setup, 30 pound fluorocarbon on, oh no, 40 pound on this side with 20 pound braid. Sweet. Whoa, so finally caught a fish. I didn't put the camera on because honestly I was just more obsessed with catching the fish. So it's a carway and it's just on that. I caught a snapper before, but I didn't want to film it because I'm worried about losing it. No, I think it's off. No. He ran towards me. Yeah. So we've had no fish. I've had no fish all morning, but now we've. So that would be 2 in 10 minutes. Yeah. Goodness knows what this is. Goodness knows what it is. And this is on the other lure, the squid lure. Oh yeah, it's a snapper. Nice one, mate. So that's a decent snapper. Yes, man. So that's dinner. Oh. All right, calm down, mate. Whoa, that's a decent size snapper. Quite a good size. It's caught a carway, and I wanted to even show you one, but the camera was need to change the battery, and I just was worried about just keeping it. Don't want to get it. Okay, that's a cool fish. Okay, so I'm actually going to keep this fish. Yeah, something in mouth in the gills, but that's a good one. It's a good fish. Yeah, we're going to keep that one. That's going to be for dinner. Yeah, maybe I'll do a video on snapper, crispy. I've done crispy skin snapper, I've done baked snapper. Maybe a bit of fried snapper, maybe. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so that was just the squid lure. So this one is it's a funky. It's like 200 grams squid lure. Very nice. We pop that one down again then. And you see, I wasn't even touching the rod. That was just the motion of the waves, because it's honestly we've spent more time paddling today than we have fishing. It's been we're not anchoring, and also it's quite dangerous anchoring at, like, you know, we're at 50 odd meters now. Quite dangerous anchoring at that depth, especially when the current's strong as well. So I always find it more dangerous because the boat gets pulled. And it's sometimes get pulled onto the wave. Yeah. So that was me just having the rod in the holder and just the gentle motion, which is literally just slow pitching itself. That's what I'm doing with the other one. I was just in the holder and you can just see it. It's just the tip. You want the tip to be nice and soft so it gets that nice motion in the ocean. That motion of the lure. But that was good. Oh, really good. And I was just going to finish my sandwich. We'll be doing that now. Yeah. Oh, we're heading over in that direction there. Man, it's going to take a long time. We've already been paddling for about 20 minutes. Looking at that, that's going to be at least an hour. And that's with the battery, that's with the motor. Yeah, we have drifted a heap away. And that's the thing, the current's just coming this way. We paddle over and then we get dragged back again. So yeah, on the final fish, you always want to maximise.
So we've been slow pitch jigging for, I don't know, about an hour now. Just coming out from the bay in Macra, just drifting towards Boom Rock, and we've had a bit of a success. Like, been catching quite a few blue cod, but yet to find a snapper or a nice fish, and just drifted over a really nice bit of structure, and I hooked a blue cod, and then I've dropped again, and I'm in here. It must be a big snapper, I think. It's not lots of head nods though, so not too sure. Yeah, hopefully not a cooter. It's got to be close now. Oh yeah, it's a big snapper.
Wow.
Yeah, so not a bad wee snapper. Hell yeah.
Well, we didn't catch all the adventure on camera, but my goodness, that was crazy. So it took us 2 hours, more than 2 hours. I actually even had to pull into shore because it was just, we were just so far over there. My goodness, yeah, honestly, it's taken us over 2 hours. I had to pull the kayak into the nearest beach and just walk it around. And then you're like treading water. So my arms were aching, now my legs ache. Good exercise as always. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya. It is a gorgeous day, look at that. Summer's coming in New Zealand. Oh yeah.